If you want to point your domain name to an IP address using Namecheap, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the fastest and simplest way possible. This is useful when you're connecting a domain to a website, server, hosting account, or any custom project that needs your domain to resolve to the correct IP. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear, beginner-friendly software tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for Domain List. This is where all of your domains are stored and managed in one place. Click on it, then find the domain name that you want to point to your IP address. When you see the correct domain, click Manage next to it. Now, you'll be taken to the settings for that domain. From here, open the Advanced DNS tab. This section is where you control records like A records, ename records, MX records, and more. Since we're pointing the domain directly to an IP address, we need to work with the host records area. Scroll down until you see host records. If there are already records listed here, take a moment to review them carefully so you don't accidentally overwrite something important. To create a new record, click Add New Record. A menu will appear, and from the record type options, select A record. An A record is used to point a domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address. That means if you want your root domain, like your domain.com, to go to a specific server, this is the record you need. Next, in the host field, enter the AT symbol, which is @ This tells Namecheap that the record applies to your root domain, not a subdomain. If you were setting up something like www or blog, you would use a different host value, but for the main domain, @ is the correct choice. Now move to the value or IP address field and enter your server's IPv4 address. Make sure you type it exactly as provided by your hosting provider or server administrator. Even one wrong number can send visitors to the wrong location, so double check that IP before continuing. After that, set the TTL to automatic. TTL stands for time to live, and leaving it on automatic is the easiest option for most users because Namecheap will handle the timing for you. Once everything looks correct, click the green checkmark to save the record. This is the step that applies your changes, so don't skip it. After saving, your new A record should appear in the host records list. At this point, your domain has been pointed to the IP address, but the changes may not work instantly everywhere. You'll need to wait for DNS propagation. Depending on your setup and your internet provider, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours, though it often happens much sooner. While you're waiting, you can test your domain to confirm it's resolving to the correct IP address. Open your browser and visit the domain, or use a DNS checker if you want to verify that the A record is updating properly across different locations. If the site doesn't load right away, give it some time and check again later. And that's it. You've successfully pointed your Namecheap domain name to an IP address. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.